In this video, I'll be showing you how to show hidden files on Mac.
Now, all you want to go ahead and do is firstly open up Terminal on your Mac. So I'm going to press Command and Space, and then I'm going to type in Terminal like so, and now it's going to open up like this. Now, all I want to go ahead and do is type in the following things. So CHF, and then just do like CH flags, like so, and then space, and then hidden. Go ahead and press enter. Now what I have to do is basically just drag and drop the file or folder you want to hide directly from the Finder into the terminal window. So let's say in my instance, let's just say I want to go ahead and move this. What I want to do is drag and drop it, and it's going to show exactly what I've just dragged and dropped. Then over here, go ahead and press enter, and then it's going to basically save it. Now, if I want to go ahead and view it, all I've got to go ahead and do is go over to my Finder, like so. And then all I got to do is press the global keyboard shortcut, which is going to be Command, Shift, and period. So once you go ahead and press that all together, it's going to basically show the initial thing. So it's going to auto populate, then press enter, it's going to vanish. But once you press Command, Shift, and period, it's going to instantly toggle on hidden files. Now to make a folder permanently visible again, open up Terminal, like so. So I'm going to open mine up again. And then all you got to do is type in CH flags, but this time no hidden, like so. Go ahead and press enter, and now it just changes the file type. Then just drag the faded folder back into Terminal and hit enter. After that, you should be good to go. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.